The figure below shows the variation of specific heat capacity of a solid as a function of temperature. The temperature is increasing continuously from 0 to 500 Kelvin at a constant rate. Ignoring any volume change, the following statements are correct to a reasonable approximation. See, here there is a graph is given. The variation of specific heat with temperature is given in the question. In the options, they are asking about rate at which heat is absorbed. They are asking dq by dt. And somewhere they are asking only heat absorbed. So we have to calculate dq and dq by dt. Now, the rate of heat absorbed is dq by dt, because dq is equal to mc d capital T. So we can write R is equal to mc d capital T by d small t. Here capital T is temperature, small t is time. In the question, it is given that d capital T by d small t is constant. Now, from 0 Kelvin to 100 Kelvin, variation of C with temperature is not linear. Therefore, the option A is wrong. From 400 to 500 Kelvin, C is constant. From the graph we can observe. From 400 Kelvin to 500 Kelvin, C is constant. Therefore, R is also constant from 400 to 500 Kelvin. Therefore, option C is also correct. Now, from 200 to 300 Kelvin, C is increasing. This also can observe from the graph. Therefore, R is also increasing from 200 to 300 Kelvin. Hence, option B is also correct. Now, heat absorbed is given by Q is equal to mCd, but C into dt is given by area under the curve. So, from 0 to 100 Kelvin, the area under curve is less compared to 400 to 500 Kelvin. So, heat absorbed during 0 to 100 is less than heat absorbed during 400 Kelvin to 500 Kelvin. Hence, the option B is also correct. Therefore, the correct options are B, C and D.